This is a huge game for the Raiders organization and the players, coaching staff, and just Raider fans, man. I'm telling you, the atmosphere is going to be electric there. You know, the Raider fans, they travel big, they travel good, and I'm just excited to watch this game tonight.
The thing about the Raiders, for the first time in a long time, they're relevant. And it's better for the NFL. When the Raiders are good, it's better for the NFL. And how about Raider fans? They've been here all day long. All day long. You were here earlier. They've been here all day.
Oh, man,
they're ready to go.
Tonight, history is made here in Mexico City, this sprawling capital with a population of more than 21 million in the metropolitan area. It's the 7th largest city in the world. Tonight, it hosts the first Monday Night Football game ever played outside the United States, inside one of the world's most famous sports venues, Estadio Azteca.
This is truly a home game international. To be able to come to Mexico City and truly have the Raider Nation here, it's unbelievable.
They've shown just great enthusiasm on us being in town, and they're looking forward to a great game.
There's a lot of electricity in the air.
This is an unbelievable opportunity, unbelievable blessing to be able to participate in a game like this, right? But we're just going out to do what we do every single week, which is put our best foot forward and go win a football game like doing us, all right?
All about that win today, all about that win. Stay together, fight for each other, do whatever it takes.
It's a fiesta, dog. We in this town. Just turn up, baby.
Game time, man. Raider Nation in Mexico, we here for one reason, just win. Just win, baby.
Hola, hola. Mexico. We in Mexico. Feel good out here, man. This is great. We about to have some fun tonight. Oh, G, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Proud of you, boy. I'm so proud of you, boy. Keep leading. Keep leading. Keep leading, boy. Keep leading, boy. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, boy.
So, man, you out there balling, man. Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying?
Miss you out here, bro.
Top of the year together, man. Get in that football. The goal is the same. Get this win today by any means, fellas. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Raiders on 3. Raiders on me. 1, 2, 3. Hey.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Y retiembla en su centro la tierra al sonoro rugir del cañón.
Osweiler back, throws middle, intercepted by Malcolm Smith. Dropped back on the coverage, went right over his helmet and picked that ball off right in the Raider logo. And it's a route, then it's for Sean, and he's in the end zone. Touchdown! Raiders! True I formation, 1 yard line. They give it to Miller right behind Cross. Touchdown, Houston.
And the Texans reclaim the lead.
Carl throws wide open to Mays Alawale. Breaks a tackle, he may score. 30, 20. Look at the big fullback goal. Touchdown! Raiders! Alawale rumbles 75 yards. Low snap from Hudson. Quick throw out left to Amari Cooper. Blocked by Roberts. Cuts inside. 20. Touchdown! Raiders! Game is over. The Raiders are 8-2 on the year.
Look at these Raider fans here in Mexico City. They came out in full force.
8-2. Raider Nation all day. We came down here in Mexico, took care of business after the bye week. Love this team, man.
I feel great, man. It was a great team win. It's a great atmosphere.
It was great. You know it's better 9-2.
We all know that we can play better than that. But guess what? We're 8-2 right now. 1, 2, 3.